Friday. Good morning, Tube. Today is Friday. Gonna be a busy one, guys. It's gonna be hot as hell here in fucking in the LA basin, so we plan on it being extremely busy today. Ray of Hope today. We got somebody coming in today to try out. So hopefully that works out, and I'll have another barber. You know, we're gonna give it a shot, see what happens. Another thing too is last night I finished up my Walh 5-star cordless review. So that I posted that up last night. So make sure you go out and check that out, guys. I gave you guys my honest opinion on that machine, and if you guys like that machine, I left a link there if you guys would like to purchase one. Of course, you know, it's not, I'm not selling them through Amazon. They get delivered to you. I get a small cut of each machine that they sell. I mean, it's a few dollars, but I'm just getting started with the affiliate marketing. I'm not really into it yet, but I'm already posting stuff up. Yeah, so that's done too, and yeah, I'm a little behind right now because I got quite a few videos I could post up now. I managed to film 4 haircuts this week, which is way out of the ordinary for me. Normally I'll be able to get 1 haircut a week if I can, but now the process is you just don't film them. You also have to edit them, and editing is actually the harder part. That's where you got to sit down and cut every reel and put it into place, and then if it needs voiceover, you got to do the voiceover, and you know, it's just a process, guys. But I'm gonna get those videos up for you. I think they're really nice haircuts, and we'll get started on that, guys. And hey, today's Friday. Guys, if you guys ain't up and you ain't on the way to work, there's something wrong with you. You're missing out. You're losing money. You're not going to make no money if you're at home or just barely waking up right now. Look, if you're waking up right now, that means you're not going to get to work till 9:30, 10 o'clock, all right? If you're starting work at 10 o'clock, that means you got to work till 8 o'clock to put in 8 hours. You know, like, you got to take an hour lunch, you know, it doesn't add up, guys. And unless you guys want to be working on your Friday night, you know, the best thing for you to do is find yourself a shop that opens up early. That way you could get in there early, you know. Or sometimes they guys ask for the key. A lot of shop owners want to give the key. They just want somebody responsible to give it to. Somebody who's going to be there to open up early. I guarantee you 9 out of 10 times if you ask a boss, hey, can I get the key? That way I can get in here earlier and get started, open up for you. They're gonna say, yeah, I know I do. You know, it's just a matter of, you know, who's willing to do it and who's willing to work. No? All right, guys, I'm here to get my donut right now. I'm gonna head to the shop, get started on this day, and post up some haircuts, and we'll get into this. All right, guys, everybody have a blessed day.
Running back, you can call my name and I'll come running back to you. Running back, I'll come running back to you. Running back, you can call my name and I'll come running back to you. Running back, I'll come running back to you.
So my tryout guy didn't show up. I don't know what happened. So it's all right. Been pretty crazy busy again. I'm probably about 8 haircuts in. Right now it's about 11 a.m. Coming to the bank is some change. The new register works incredible. I like it. Really good. I'm gonna have to do a video about taking credit cards for you some guys. To put you guys on some game right here. I don't understand why barbers don't take credit cards. Yeah, so put you guys up on game on the credit card machine. You know, a couple years ago I went and started taking credit cards, and I saw a big increase in my income since then because of that. But I just went about it the wrong way. I kind of I bought my own machine instead of leasing, and leasing is much better because when you lease, they always have that warranty, and they're always going to fix your stuff. So when you buy it, you know, it lasts about 2 years. You guys got to imagine, we use a machine every single day. You know, everybody punches in their haircuts. You know, we do 50, 60 haircuts in our shop every day. So the machine gets used, you know. So this time I switched over to a lease. So when I switched over to a lease, I got a brand new machine. So that's what I did last night. As you guys saw in my video that I'm uploading today. Last night I was setting it up, getting it all prepped for today. But man, it works really, really good. I mean, it runs a credit card transaction in literally less than a minute. Like 15 seconds, it's done. You know, it's pretty bad. Anyway, it's busy at the shop, but it's not as busy as it was yesterday. Yesterday it was way more slammed. But today is Friday, so usually if you have a really busy Thursday, then it's not as crazy on Friday. But I'm gonna get back to the shop, finish this day off. I'll do an outro later. I'm trying to get some haircuts in. I done a couple haircuts. I just haven't videotaped nothing yet, but I'll get something in today, guys. We'll get something. I'm gonna get a good haircut, and I'll put it in for you guys. Don't forget to see my review on the Walh cordless. Let me know what you guys think about that. I wanna hear what you guys think. I think I did pretty good on that review. It came out pretty good. Give you guys my honest opinion on it. But we'll go from there, guys. See you guys later. that's it for today, guys. Another Friday down the drain. 3 of us handled it. It is what it is. Super busy day again. Still short-handed, guys. If you guys know anybody that wants to be a barber or is a barber or has a license and wants to come work, let me know. The guy that was supposed to came today, he never showed up. Never called, no nothing. First day here is already a no-call, no-show. See how that is? Barbers, I don't know. But, you know what? I was thinking about it. It is what it is. Because, I mean, really, it wasn't that busy today. So, in a way, it was kind of good that he didn't come. He probably wouldn't have had that great a day. So, but, you know what, guys? Tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow is Saturday. And you know how Saturday for me? Saturday is game day, baby. It's going to be super busy. Right now, I'm headed to the market. I'm gonna go buy a birthday cake for my little brother, and today is his birthday. Happy birthday, Ron. My little brother is the little guy that was helping me the other day on Sunday when you guys saw the Sunday vlog. He's the one that came in to help me out on Sunday when I was short-handed. He's also a really good barber. But happy birthday, bro! In case you watch my vlogs. But I'm headed to the market, pick up that cake, go home, and we're gonna celebrate my brother's birthday. Hey guys, thanks for watching again. If you guys have any questions, any concerns, you guys want to know anything, let me know. Let me know in the comments below. I answer all questions. Make sure you check out that Walh 5-star cordless review that I just finished putting out. I think it was pretty good, guys. Let me know what you guys think. If there's any questions you guys want me to answer, let me know. And if not, I'll see you guys mañana. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ronald. Happy birthday to you. And many more. You're such a whore. Happy birthday, Carnalote! 41 years old, goddamn you old!